And good evening to all my viewers out there. Time for another elevator video. This is the AMC Pepsi Forum, as it used to be known. The former Montreal Forum. Now it's an entertainment complex. Former home of the Montreal Canadiens Hockey Club. Very old building. This, of course, is a glass elevator that you can see overlooks the beautiful former center ice area. And of course, like I said, this place is an entertainment complex now. Movie theaters, arcades and whatnot. And I think it's worth showing you the view from the top as well here. And these are actually old seats from the Forum. Vintage seats. So here's the view from the top. Again, another glass elevator that I love is this one. The other one being in Complex Desjardins. We'll go down now. Of course, this elevator is somewhat modern. Let's go to this panel. It has two panels in it, which is rare for elevators, I believe. Let's go to RC. Back to where we came from. Maybe we'll send it up to the fourth floor and get a view from the escalator. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed that little elevator video, and well, have a good night all.